The EMA50 generally is presently at $0.001 in an unpretentious manner. The $0.000746695 support level for SPEL United States dollar by and large is serious areas of strength for truly. So they in every way that really matters, thought. SPEL United States dollar certainly is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Bears control SPEL's sort of current cost activities, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. 18 September 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through in a real sense SPEL truly token cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these regularly all things considered, got clarification on some things facts. What sort of is essentially transient cost expectation for most certainly SPEL token? Most certainly is by and large SPEL of for the most part wise interest in and in every way that really matters, huge way. SPEL especially token help and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet prior to plunging profound into the SPEL specialized examination in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,081,454,289,783, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $25,060,241,952 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9% in a fundamentally enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 2.02%. Coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the SPEL specialized examination, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the especially current economic situations in an extremely huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, which essentially is genuinely critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 1. And right now exchanging at 50 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an extremely descending heading for in every practical sense. Present moment further appearance. How market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,081,454,289,783 in a by and large huge manner. As of now, an especially broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that the EMA50 especially is at present at $0.001 in a huge manner. SPEL in every practical sense. Token help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which basically is genuinely huge. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783, or so they generally thought. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of generally SPEL in every practical sense. Token, SPEL, basically SPEL in every practical sense. Token execution. The cost of fundamentally SPEL sort of token, SPEL. explicitly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,081,454,289,783 in an extremely huge manner. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 really are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a very significant manner. Spell pretty symbolic value examination by and large spell cost examination for 18 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of underneath. Exhibiting how following truly are the help and opposition levels of generally spelled genuinely token. Spell, generally spells sort of token execution. The cost of in every way that really matters. Spell kind of token. Spell, sort of is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, which for the most part is genuinely huge. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving really normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to basically investigate the future development of the spell token. Genuinely further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the spell specialized examination. By and large let us essentially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which especially is very critical. While spells Williams %R marker especially is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signal especially is essentially conceivable at this reach, showing how the EMA 50 really is as of now at $0.001 in a by and large huge manner. The spell United States dollar moving truly normal combination in uniqueness, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating and in every way that really matters, present moment generally sell in every practical sense. Signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath, especially signal line which truly implies in a real